Is your laptop Wi-Fi not working when you're close to it and automatically disconnects when you move away from the router? Well, worry not, because here in this video, I will try to find a way to fix this issue. So let's dive right into it. Now, if this issue is from the moment you set up your Wi-Fi, then I will recommend getting a Wi-Fi booster or contacting a technician because the problem may be hardware related. Solution 1. Update Wi-Fi drivers. So to do this, right-click on your Start menu and select Device Manager. Now in here, expand the Network Adapters section. From here, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter you're currently using and select Update Drivers. Now, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. After that, you need to click or check on Show Compatible Hardware. Now here, you have to select any of the drivers that appear on the box below and click on Next to install the driver. The driver will get installed in a couple of seconds. Now select Close and close the window. After this, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator and say Yes to continue. Here you need to execute a few commands. But don't worry, because I will write these commands on the video description below. Let's start by typing ipconfig //flushdns and press enter. Now we have successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Then type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Now it's asking successfully reset the winsock catalog, but you have to restart your device. So type exit on the command prompt to close it and restart your laptop. Now if this does not fix your issue, then try the next solution. Solution 2. Network reset from settings. This time, open the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Network and Internet. Then you have to scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. After it's open, look for Network Reset and select it. Then you have to click Reset Now and select Yes on the question. Now restart your computer to fix this issue. So these are the fixes you can apply to fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, so please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.